Association for Academic Qualities and Content, AFAQ. In February, they inaugurated and they celebrated many of their activities, and they perform much activities like particular activities, especially about trainings, and they uh, perform lot of particular creative activities according to trainings, according to teachers trainings, according to principal trainings, according to vice principal trainings and coordinator trainings, and a particular mechanism of a school. And all these glimpses are being provided you by through Mentor English Professor M. Raza YouTube channel, and we request to you that must subscribe and hit the bell icon. And we also very much thankful and grateful to the honorable respected Amir Zaib Saab and respected Shahid Warsi Saab, the CEO of AFAQ. So I would like to request you that we have all the maximum lectures of maximum subjects and maximum qualitative education of AFAQ we have provided on this Mentor English channel, and we have a channel for Urdu language and the national language of Pakistan, and for services of Urdu we have a channel Mentor Urdu or Murshid Urdu Professor M. Raza, and for the particular channel for Darsiyat and Logic, Fiqh, Asul Fiqh and Philosophy, Jamid Alam Shaykh al-Islam. So must subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me go now, and we will be right back with you with the new vlog, with the new gossip, with the new lecture, with the new fully solved activity, creativity or inquiry based activity or inquiry based question answers. So let me go now and say with me, do something more for humanity, do something more for knowledge and practices. Have a good day, and bye bye.